Hello to all my friends out there. And so I want to give you two of the most important recipes. Here's the yogurt, very easy. My videos were messed up when I tried to demonstrate the yogurt. I am so mad. This is good, very easy to make. Make your own, it's way cheaper. And you need this recipe in the event that something happens, because you can use your powdered milk. Remove yogurt from refrigerator. You want to let it set at room temperature. You remove the yogurt first. Heat a large pan of water to boiling, cover, and place in oven. That's all the heat you're going to use for the yogurt making. Heat any milk 24 to 32 ounces to boiling and let cool to warm, like a warm bath. And I use either 1 can evaporated milk, 1 can water. I stir that together, or I use 32 ounces of shelf-stable milk, or I just use any milk, powdered milk, any milk, soy milk, almond milk, any milk. When it's too warm, add room temperature yogurt, stir good. Slip into oven, warm by pan of boiling water, and leave overnight. That brings you to this point. So you're always going to have yogurt. Then I was super happy because I got this bread recipe. This is going to be, I'm going to make this today. Thank you, Mandy. 400 grams flour, or 1 3/4 cup, 1 1/2 teaspoon soda, 300 milliliters milk, or 1 1/4 cup, 2 squirts lemon juice. 1, put flour and soda into a bowl. 2, put milk and lemon juice into a jug to curdle. After 5 minutes, add milk to flour, stir and mold into a loaf. Preheat oven to gas mark for, I bake bread 350. Grease loaf tin or cake tin. Bake 45 minutes and then serve with cheese and herbs. So now you have, for your stockpile, the ability to make yogurt and bread. Very important. If you have bread, you can make a sandwich. If you have yogurt, you will have a dairy. You can, what I usually do is I serve it with some kind of fruit, any kind of fruit. Okay, you guys, God bless, or granola bars. God bless you all.